Next problem. For a linear time invariant system with a WSS process, x of t is the input. Show that the mean value of the output is given by mu of y, which is equal to mu of x into h of 0. We know that y of t, which is equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u x of t minus u du. That is equation number 1. Here expected value of x of t, which is equal to mu of x, and expected value of y of t, which is equal to mu of y. That is equation number 2. Given the input process x of t is WSS, that means mean expected value of x of t is a constant, mu x is a constant, right? So expected value of y of t, which is equal to expected value of, we are substituting instead of y of t, my integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u x of t minus u du, right? That is equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u expected value of x of t minus u du equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u mu x du, right? Mu x is a constant with respect to the integration. So mu of y is equal to mu of x into integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u du. That is equation number 3. We know that h of u is equal to Fourier transform of small h of u, that is equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u e power minus omega u du. Therefore, h of 0 replace omega by 0, which is equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u, putting omega equal to 0, so e power minus 0 du. E power minus 0 1, you will get integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of u du. That is equation number 4. Now comparing 3 and 4, you will get mu of y is equal to mu of x into h of 0. That's all. Next, some definition. Unit step function u of t. A unit step function is a mathematical function that switches on at time t is equal to 0 and is represented by the values 1 for t greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for t less than 0. That is u of t is the unit step function, which is equal to 1 if t is always positive, greater than or equal to 0. 0 is t is less than 0, right? Note, mean value of input is mu of x, mean value of output is mu of y. That is mu y, mu x. Next problem. Consider a linear system with impulse h of t is equal to 4 e power minus t cos 2t ut. Ut is the unit step function. Suppose that a WSS process x of t with mu x, which is equal to 3, is used to the input system. Find the mean value of the output system. We'll say, given h of t is equal to 4 e power minus t cos 2t u of t. We know that u of t is equal to 1 t greater than or equal to 0, 0 t less than 0. That means h of t, which is equal to t cos 2t, right, into 1 t greater than or equal to 0, 0 if t less than 0. We are comparing u of t and given h of t, because in h of t you are having u of t. So replacing that u of t by the definition of u of t, right? So that is equation number 1. Given mu x is equal to 3, that is equation 2. To find mu y, we know that mu y is equal to h of 0 mu of x, that is equal to 3 into h of 0, because we know from 2 mu x is equal to 3. Mu y is equal to 3 into h of 0, that is equation number 3. To find h of 0, we know that h of omega is equal to Fourier transform of h of t, which is equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of t e power minus omega t dt. So h of 0, replacing omega by 0, we will get integral minus infinite to plus infinite h of t dt, because e power minus 0 1. So that is equal to, we are splitting the integral minus infinite to 0, right, 0 into dt plus 0 to infinite 4 e power minus t cos 2t dt by using 1, because 1 is clearly given in the negative side, it is 0. T less than 0, h of t is 0. Since greater than 0, h of t is equal to 4 e power minus t cos 2t. So we are using that one, is equal to 4 integral 0 to infinite e power minus t cos 2t dt. We are integrating. We know e power ax integral e power ax cos bx, which is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. Here a is equal to -1, b is equal to 2. So we are substituting and limit lower limit 0, upper limit infinite. So e power minus t by -1 square plus 2 square into -1 cos 2t plus 2 sin 2t. Applying the upper limit. E power minus infinite 0. So total term becomes 0. So 4 into 0 minus. Now applying the lower limit. E power minus 0 minus 1 square plus 2 square. You will get 5 minus cos. Instead of t we are putting 0, cos 0 plus 2 sin 0. Sin 0 0. Cos 0 1. So you will get minus 1 by 5 minus 1, right? So minus into minus plus, you will get 4 by 5. H of 0 is equal to 4 by 5. That is equation number 4. Now we are substituting h of 0 value in equation number 3. Mu y is equal to 3 into h of 0. That is equal to 3 into 4 by 5. 12 by 5. That's all. Thanks.